Hi everybody, we are going to get started with a warm-up today. I'm going to see if you feel comfortable with simplifying a square root. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. So let's get started. Please write this in your notebook. It could go on a separate page, or you could put it at the bottom of notes number 1 that you took, since it's kind of related. Or some students put it in like a different section in their notebook and they just kind of label it warm-ups. Wherever you want to put it is fine with me. Okay, so write this down, please hit pause, and do your preferred method. Either you like to break everything down into all the prime factors and find the pairs, or you start dividing by the perfect squares until you find the greatest perfect square that kind of lives inside of that number. Your choice, you perfect your chosen method. Okay, so hit pause, let your brain do some work. Okay, so I haven't quite finished the answer on number 1 yet. I just wanted to make sure that it was clear what was happening. So when I did prime factorization, I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 2's and a 3. And so only 1 from each pair of those 2's comes out into the front of the square root, and then this leftover 2 that doesn't have a twin and the leftover 3 that doesn't have a twin, they stay in. No twin stays in. So your final answer here would be 4 square root 6. Okay, so if you didn't do prime factorization on that number 1, you would have divided by 4, then you would try 9, let's see, 16, 25, you would go through the list. So 16 would have worked. If you wanted to do it in the other method, this is method 2, you would have said 96 divided by 16 equals 6. So I would say from the original problem, 96 is, let's put this one on this side, 6 and 16. 16 is special because it's 4 and 4, and I can see my pair. I have a pair of 4s, so the 4 comes out, and the leftover 6 would stay in. So this is just the alternate method